Oh my God.
Look at all that guacamole slime.
Can I touch it?
I think so, yeah, do it. Go for it.
I'm Karina Garcia, and this is Fast Forward Girls.
Each week, one girl will go on a surprise adventure of a lifetime. She'll meet 2 amazing women and take a walk in their shoes with 2 on-the-job challenges. One of these women will become her mentor for life, but she's going to have to choose.
This is Jazmine. Today, she has no idea that she's about to spend some time with some other slime professionals.
Karina.
This is heavy.
Let me see.
I think you should open it.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Wait.
Oh my God.
Why is there
Oh my
slime
gosh,
in here?
it's slime.
Wait up. There's a
Do
phone.
you think there's a phone? Oh my gosh, Jazmine, I think I see some. What is this? Oh my God, it's for you.
What is it? I don't know what this is for.
What is this? Oh my gosh, it's for your hair.
Okay.
It's a whole look. Oh my gosh, there's gloves. Can you just put it on? Look at this.
Let me see.
Oh my God. There's something else in there, Jazmine.
Oh my God.
I think it's a clue or something. I got it.
Okay.
Okay, it says, for some, making slime comes more naturally. I guess that's like me, right? Because I make slime all the time. Don't be sluggish. Pick up your pace. Follow the glitter trail. We're off to a race? I think you're going on an adventure. Jazmine, we need to find the glitter trail.
No,
Get going, hurry up.
Wait up, hold on. I can't wear this.
Oh my God, it's literally right here.
Oh my God. Okay.
I'm sorry, but I think this is your adventure, honey.
What? You're just gonna leave me hanging here?
Sometimes you just have to take one for the team, and I just don't feel like getting glitter all over myself, so I'll see you later.
Whatever. I'll find you later. Huh?
Let me just give you a hug. Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Text me if you get lost. Thank you.
Okay, I will.
Hi, Jazmine. I'm Jan. I'm the snail scientist at the Natural History Museum of LA County. We'll do some exploring and see if we can find a really rare species. So one of the best ways to find them is to just get a stick and start poking around and looking for them. They're slimy and they need a lot of water, so they can't be in places where it's very, very dry. So this is a really good spot to find them because it's muddy. So anything that you can turn over that, yeah, good, yeah, it's good you're wearing gloves. The snail that's native, that means that it evolved here and it lives pretty much only here, is like almost like a sparkly bluish gray color. So if you can imagine it, it's a very beautiful slug. Maybe we can get out of this area and climb up over there. There's a snail that's a native snail. This is a pretty rare snail. This is a snail that only lives in California.
That's cool.
You wanna have a look?
Too.
Yeah.
They're pretty slow, huh?
Yes, that's exactly right. Instead of sutures or stitches, doctors and biochemists have figured out that you can use the sticky properties from snail and slug slime to make a glue that holds wounds together. This slime the animal is making, and it makes it so that it can slime across surfaces and move, right? Because it doesn't have legs, right? And it's pretty sticky.
Oh my God.
See?
Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh my God. It's like slime like on your hand and it's not falling, yeah?
Yep. We're gonna put this little friend down. There we go. Now I have a fun challenge for you. You ready to go? We're gonna choose a snail and have a race.
I'm gonna choose this one. Okay.
I'm gonna choose this one.
It reminds me of Karina.
And its name is Sandy. Go, snails, go! Go, Sandy.
Karina, you better
Sandy.
do this. Go.
Come on, Sandy.
Come on. Come on, Karina. You got this. Oh my God, I'm gonna win this. Come on, come on. Oh yes, we made it.
We made it.
Good job.
Won.
Good job.
Are they like boys and girls kind?
They're both. In this species, they have both male and female reproductive parts. So they're not a boy or a girl, they're both.
Oh.
So these on the top are used as their eyes, their optical tentacles, and on the bottom they're used as sensory tentacles.
Oh, hold on, my phone.
Oh, sure.
I'm sorry.
No worries.
Okay.
Is this your next clue?
Yeah.
All right, ready? What do pink taffy and lava have to do with slime? Put on your poncho and get ready for a fiesta, but hold the avocado and lime. Looks like your sister's got another adventure for you.
All right, Jazmine, we're at the next stop. Have fun. Go on, girl. Do your thing.
Bye.
Hi, Jazmine. I'm Melancha. I'm a chemical engineering professor at USC, and I'm also an expert in polymer science. Polymers are all around us. They're in DNA and rubber. And we also synthesize polymers like those in plastic bottles. This is my friend Scott. Scott owns this glue factory, and he's worked on making special effects slime for tons of movies, Ghostbusters and Transformers, and he's also made the slime for Nickelodeon.
Why don't you guys come on in?
So Scott makes glue here. Here's one of his mixers.
Oh my God.
And you can see these glue icicles. This is a polymer polyvinyl acetate, and the flexibility of these icicles is due to a plasticizer. Cool, right?
Yeah, it's really stretchy.
So check out these giant containers of glue.
That's a lot of glue.
There's 21,000 gallons of glue. If we used all that glue to make small containers of slime, we'd make over 300,000 of these small containers. That's a lot of slime, right? What would you do with all that slime?
Probably sell it because it's a lot of slime.
If you sold all that slime, you'd make over $3 million.
Let's do it. Come on.
Let's go for it. Let's go check out some of the cool things Scott has made.
Oh my God. Oh, we do not make slime like this. We make it thicker and like stretchier. But this is like thick glue. And it's like, what happened to my fingers? I'm making a mess. This is really cool. Like,
Cool slime.
oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
It still feels similar to the other two, just a little higher viscosity. So maybe there's more borax in it.
Yeah. Let's do a honey high vibe. Yeah.
Let's check out the guacamole slime.
Oh my God. Ooh.
They make this guacamole slime so that the guacamole won't go bad on set. You could keep it for a long time.
Oh my God.
Look at all that guacamole
Can I touch
slime.
it?
Do it, go for it.
Oh, yes.
We're gonna try to stuff as many tacos as we can. Whoever loses gets slimed.
I'm going to win. You know that. I'm gonna win this. Ooh. Oh my God.
Are you ready for this challenge? We have to fill each of these shells with 3 spoons of guacamole slime. Whoever doesn't fill their shells gets slime.
I'm ready for this.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I better win. I don't want to get slimed.
Oh my God, mine ripped, mine ripped, mine ripped.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. How you doing over there?
Good. I'm not doing good, never mind.
Yes, I win. Time to get slimed.
Are you ready to get slime?
No, I was supposed to beat her. That was the plan.
Why are half of yours broken? Well, honey, I've been waiting for this day for 12 years, honey. It's time. It's time. All right, Jazmine, here it comes. So what are you thinking? Like, which one do you like better?
I don't know. What should I choose? Like who?
Regardless of who you choose, this is an amazing opportunity. This person is gonna be there for you whenever you need advice on career stuff. Literally for the rest of your life. Think it up, sister.
Okay, I made my decision.
Go ahead, make the call. What are you waiting for?
I made my decision. I chose you.
Wow, that's great news.
I really enjoyed how you taught me about slime, and I really want to get in touch with you.
I can't wait to be your mentor.
GoldieBlox sent me down here. They gave me this super cool gold suitcase. We have this little envelope, right? Pack a bag for the city by the bay, which I did. I'm here, sis. Hi, welcome. Shook. How does data drive storytelling, you ask? Have no fear. You're well on your way. Well, since I'm on my way, I guess I'll find out. That's not very much of a clue.